Hey guys, it's Monday, starting week 6. I hope everybody had a great weekend. We're going to continue with finding five. That first week was kind of just more about that observation without judgment and just kind of toying with it and kind of seeing where we are with it. And now this week we really want to start to kind of dial in and really finding that five, and using some of the strategies that we experimented with in week 1, to do that, the signs to look for, how are you feeling, and what are some of those little things at the table that we notice that signal, I'm done eating, whether it's that sigh or kind of a deep breath type thing, or just like the food starting to taste funny, or just that thought of, well, I could be done now. And another one might be, if you start speeding up, let's say you're eating slowly and you find yourself eating faster and faster. A lot of times that can be a psychological switch that happened in the brain, where we stopped eating because we needed to, and now we're eating because we want to, and kind of eating that the fast eating, just kind of signals that switch. It's rather subtle, but if you catch yourself, that's another good time to go, oh, I guess I'm done. So keep rating the hunger before, right after, and the 10 to 15 minutes after. We're going to do that for one more week. And that just kind of helps us find, find what it feels like for us at that meal, or, at the stopping point when we eat. What does that need to feel like in order to, the 10 or 15 minutes later, still feel at a 5, a 6 at the most? That can be a little bit harder to dial in because it feels a little bit different sometimes. So just kind of keep an eye on that, keep observing, keep paying attention, and remember, we want to eat peacefully and mindfully and slowly. That's going to help us find that stopping point a lot more easily. But again, this is something that's going to take a lot of practice over a long time. So don't feel like you've failed if you're not really good at it by the end of this week when we switch the focus. So just keep doing the best you can, and keeping the logs, and that will kind of help, have that visual of how it's going for you. So it's a good thing to refer to. So let me know if there's any questions, or if there's anything specific that I can help with. If there's any topics that are on your mind right now that you'd love to see a video on, because I'm sure if it's in your mind, I'm sure it's in other people's minds too. So don't be shy about sharing those.